South Korea is rapidly advancing its defense capabilities through a new generation of high-tech weapon systems. From next-generation fighters and ballistic missile interceptors to stealth warships and strategic submarines, these developments reflect Seoul's growing focus and self-reliant security. Let's check out the future weapons of South Korea. The KAI KF-21 Boramae. The KF-21 Boramae is South Korea's first domestically developed fighter jet, designed as a 4.5 generation multi-role aircraft. It fills the capability gap between the F-16 and 5th generation fighters like the F-35. Developed by Korea Aerospace Industries, the jet boasts advanced avionics, AESA radar, and a modular weapon system. It will carry a mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including precision-guided bombs and future indigenous missiles. The KF-21 also features stealth shaping and is being developed with potential upgrades to full 5th generation stealth later. 6 prototypes have flown since 2022, with flight tests progressing rapidly. The aircraft is also a part of broader regional defense export strategy, with interest from Indonesia and others. Indigenous engines and avionics are being developed to reduce foreign dependence, and it is expected to enter service in late 2026 to 2028. The KDDX destroyer. The KDDX is South Korea's next-generation stealth destroyer being developed by Hyundai Heavy Industries. It will displace around 8,000 tons, having a length of 155 meters, and integrate a modern combat information center with a full electric propulsion system. The KDDX will feature a Korean-developed AESA radar, indigenous vertical launch systems, and be capable of launching long-range missiles like the Hyunwoo-3, SSM-700K and anti-ship missiles, and LSAM. It is optimized for anti-air, anti-submarine, and surface warfare operations, complementing the larger, Aegis-equipped Sejong the Great class. This ship will also host improved automation, allowing a smaller crew size, and its stealthy hull form reduces radar signature dramatically. Compared to Sejong the Great class destroyers, it will have better advanced sensors and stealth characteristics and lower operating costs. It is expected to enter service in early 2030s. The KS-III Batch 2 submarine. The KS-III Batch 2 is a significant upgrade of South Korea's largest indigenous diesel-electric submarine. At over 4,000 tons submerged, it includes lithium-ion batteries and air-independent propulsion for extended underwater endurance. It is equipped with 6 vertical launch tubes capable of firing Hyunwoo-4 submarine-launched ballistic missiles. Batch 2 features quieter propulsion and enhanced sonar capabilities. Indigenous combat systems and South Korean sensors enhance the platform's autonomy. It will be a key part of the country's second strike capability. A total of 3 Batch 2 boats are planned. These submarines symbolize South Korea's leap into strategic submarine warfare. It is expected to enter by 2026. Hyunwoo-5 is South Korea's most powerful ballistic missile to date, developed as a part of its kill chain and Korea massive punishment and retaliation doctrines. It carries an 8 to 9 tons warhead designed to penetrate deeply buried bunkers in North Korea. The missile reportedly has a range of up to 3,000 kilometers and uses solid fuel technology. It may be launched from mobile platforms and underground silos. Hyunwoo-5 underscores South Korea's emphasis and preemptive strike and retaliation capability. It represents a significant increase in strategic strike power without violating the MTCR regime. It is expected to enter service in 2026. The LSAM Long-Range Surface-to-Air Missile. The LSAM is South Korea's high-altitude ballistic missile interceptor, forming the upper layer of multi-tiered missile defense system. Developed by LIG Next One and the Agency for Defense Development, it can intercept targets at 40 to 60 km altitude and have a maximum speed of Mach 9. It is South Korea's analog to the US THAAD system and complements KMSAM. LSAM can engage ballistic missiles and high-speed aerial threats using hit-to-kill technology. A Block 2 variant in development may intercept at even greater altitudes, 150 to 180 km. LSAM batteries will be mobile and integrated into the country's national command network. Testing has progressed well since 2022, and it is expected to enter service in 2028. The K-3 Main Battle Tank MBT. The K-3 MBT is the projected next-generation tank that will succeed the K-2 Black Panther in the 2030s. It is being developed by Hyundai Rotem and aims to integrate full autonomy, AI-powered fire control, and hybrid propulsion. The tank may feature unmanned turrets, crewless operations in some versions, and next-generation armor. It will be networked for battlefield awareness, designed for manned-unmanned teaming with drones and UGVs. Active protection systems like Trophy or indigenous versions will be standard. The K-3 will set a new benchmark for armored warfare in Asia. Concept studies are underway. It is expected to enter service by mid to late 2030s. The Samsung Techwin Multipurpose Vehicle MPV. The MPV is a modular armored platform being developed by Samsung Techwin. It is designed to serve multiple roles: command vehicle, ambulance, reconnaissance, or logistical support. It features 4x4 or 6x6 configurations and high levels of mine and IED protection. The platform is compatible with remote weapon stations and passive or active protection systems. Designed for networked operations, it supports command and control integration with frontline forces. It is expected to gradually replace aging light armored vehicles in the ROK Army. It is expected to enter by 2027. The CVX. The CVX is South Korea's first indigenous aircraft carrier, designed without a well deck to prioritize aircraft storage and maintenance. It features a flat axial flight deck without a ski jump, optimized for STOVL aircraft such as the F-35B or future naval KF-21 variant. The ship will carry around 16 to 20 jets and several helicopters, including the Marinian-based marine attack helicopters. Weighing approximately 45,000 tons and a length of 263 meters, CVX adopts a twin-island design influenced by the UK's Queen Elizabeth class, with support from Babcock International. Unlike amphibious ships, it focuses on sea control and air operations. The sensor and weapon systems, including a multifunction radar for ballistic missile defense, will be developed domestically. The same radar will be used on the next-generation KDDX destroyers, and initially intended to operate F-35Bs, a 2022 shift in procurement favored F-35As for the Air Force instead. Korea Aerospace Industries has proposed a navalized KF-21 as an alternative carrier aircraft. The carrier is expected to enter service in the early 2030s. With this, we're signing off for today, but don't forget to stay tuned and we'll bring you more interesting videos from the Buzz. We'll see you guys again in our next video. Bye-bye.